My site Regiondex is about the different regions of the Pokemon world. I created this site to give Pokenerds more information on the 7 major regions of the Pokeverse. Regiondex is for anyone who wants to learn more about the Pokemon world. I made Regiondex because of the lack of consolidated information about the Pokemon regions. Just to get a basic understanding of a single region, you would have to go to multiple sites. Here on Regiondex, I put all the info eggs in one basket. It's a one-stop shop for information about the 7 Pokemon regions presented in a visually appealing package. As far as the layout of my site goes, I took advantage of the CSS 2-column layout from the book, placing the navigation on the left and the main content on the right. The index page of my site shows an example of the layout. I used a wrapper to separate the rest of the page from the background. The same layout is repeated on every page in order to have coherence. For the color aspect of the package, I chose the classic Pokemon logo, which utilized 1 dark yellow, 1 dark blue, 1 light yellow, and 1 light blue. Out of those 4 colors, I chose contrasting colors between text and background for ease of reading. As shown here on the Kanto region page, I used a light yellow on a dark blue to make Regiondex stand out. Originally, the dark yellow background was too plain, so I added a repeating logo in behind the wrapper. When it comes to the organization, I divided the content into sections. The horizontal rule was used to achieve the divisions. I used the principle of proximity by grouping related items. There was a lot of data to organize about the gym leaders, so as you can see on the Johto page, I used a table to arrange this information. For the navigation aspect of the package, I aligned all of the links in a column. In order to make it clear that they were links, I mostly left the text formatting to default. For example, in the navigation bar, there are links to each region page, like the Hoenn, the Sinnoh, and the Unova regions. One challenge I had during this project was confusion about the instructions when planning the site. The instructions said 8 pages, and I thought about making a site about the 8 Pokemon regions, because the region-to-page ratio would be 1:1. My original plan was to have index, facts, about us, contact us, and the 8 region pages, but then it was clarified that the 8-page limit included everything. Then I had to merge my planned facts, about us, and contact us with the index page and lose the Galar region for the project. Another challenge I had was the difference in Region 7 compared to the previous 6 regions. Regions 2 through 6 were able to have Kanto as a prototype, but Region 7 had differences in demographic information. Region 7 needed to have modifications such as 4 kahunas and 4 stamps instead of 8 gym leaders and 8 badges. Regiondex is a site I'd use myself because it's good looking and informative. I feel happy about how the site turned out because I can add features onto it in the future. I plan on adding several features, including a Pokédex, an item dex, a movie dex, a game dex, and a card dex. I can also easily add more regions as they are released over time. I see a lot of post-project potential in this site.